I think like this weekend belongs to Thandeka the girl because she is teaching out wisdom after wisdom. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment with your opinions in the comment section. Yesterday or today, Thandeka on social media went to talk about what she has been dragged for, saying that she needs to have identity as a woman. In this era, you need to have your own identity, your own success, your own brand, your own before you can be matched as Mrs. What. Let me tell you something which is a free advice. Once you absorb yourself in a relationship, it means you're destroying your identity. And whenever people will talk about you, they will say Melly's girlfriend, they will say Tabiso's girlfriend. Your identity is destroyed. This they goes the same. It goes for mothers too. You know, when we give birth at such young age and we don't have any support, we end up changing ourselves into whoever's mother. You lose your identity. I lose myself as sponsor, or you lose yourself as Noma Lungel. You just lose yourself in that process. But the truth is, don't let any situation in this life to make you lose your spark or lose who you are, because once you do that, you will regret later in life when those people are detached from you. In case of relationship, they can move on and have another partner. If it's a child, they will grow, and guess what, they will have their partners. You will be left with the title of being someone's mother, someone's girlfriend, and then you don't have anything to your name. You don't have your identity, and that takes time to build, guys. If anything that we have to preach right now is the ability of women to stand on their own, whether they have men or men in their life. Michaeline Damase, I will always preach this. I heard it from her, saying that you must be able to maintain your lifestyle whether a man is in your life or a man is not in your life. Do you understand that? Do you get me where I'm going? And Thandeka is reiterating the same thing, and people don't get it, especially the sheepers. You're not even listening to her. Even the Italians, Makoti, Usbali, what? Guys, Sbali can be Sbali. Chip him down, right? The people who could hype Sbali, they will hype Sbali. But at the same time, while you're doing that, make sure we don't forget who Thandeka is or what Thandeka stands for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section.